Much like a jigsaw puzzle, where pieces fit together to form a complete picture, Wild Apricot websites are composed of different elements that come together to create an online representation of your organization. In this video, we'll talk about each component that makes up the website builder. On the Site Pages tab, you can add, edit, and delete pages on your Wild Apricot website. For each page, you can set its name, URL, access permissions, meta tags, and decide whether it appears in your site menu. You can create up to 1,500 site pages. To organize them, you can group pages under one another, creating multi-level menus. A gadget is a web page element that shows content. This content can be customized, like text or picture, or it can be dynamic, such as a membership registration form, a blog, or a list of upcoming events. Gadgets are the basic components of Wild Apricot site pages. A page is made up of one or more gadgets, arranged in layouts specific to the page or placeholders specific to the theme. To add a gadget to a site page, drag and drop it into a layout. Then select the gadget to edit and add content. When you delete a page or template, it gets moved to the trash. To preview a deleted page or template, select it from the list on the left. To restore a deleted page or template, select it from the list and then click the Restore button. To delete all items in the trash for good, click the Empty Trash link. The trash can store up to 100 items. If you reach the limit, older items will be deleted for good to make room for newer ones. Page templates form the foundation of both individual site pages and system pages. A site page's layout is determined by its assigned template, and it inherits any content from that template as well. You can create multiple templates, each with its own unique layout and shared content. For example, you might use one template for public pages, another for member-only pages, and a third for landing pages. You can design and modify page templates using the same graphical content editor used to edit individual site pages. System pages are automatically displayed by Wild Apricot or by gadgets on your site pages. These pages handle routine tasks like logins and event registrations. You can customize system pages by adding gadgets or modifying existing content gadgets. For instance, you can add side columns or gadgets like the Upcoming Events gadget to the Event Details page. Like site pages, system pages are built on page templates and can include layouts and gadgets. However, they don't appear in your website menu and can't be deleted. Your Wild Apricot account comes with file storage, where you can keep documents, images, and more. To share a file, simply copy its URL address from the file's properties and share the link. To add files to your storage, click the Upload button. You can also use the Link button in any Wild Apricot editor to insert files into your content. On the Colors and Styles tab, you can update the colors and fonts of various site elements at once. This saves you from having to change them individually, page by page. With this feature, you can quickly modify the appearance of menus, links, headings, body text, forms, and more. For advanced customization, you can use CSS customization. Keep in mind that any CSS changes you make to colors or styles will override conflicting changes made on the Colors and Styles screen. CSS is best suited for experienced web developers. On the Theme tab, you can view your current website theme or select a new one. Website themes determine the overall look of Wild Apricot sites, including default colors, backgrounds, text styles, and more. When you create your Wild Apricot account, a default theme is automatically assigned. Note that switching themes makes permanent changes to your web pages, affecting layouts and page templates for individual site pages. This may rearrange gadgets and layouts on your site pages. Additionally, any theme overrides and customizations on the Colors and Styles screen will be lost. Switching back to the previous theme may not restore your site's original appearance. Using theme overrides, experienced web developers can customize existing Wild Apricot themes or create new ones. Theme overrides are intended for people with advanced web design skills. Incorrect use may result in your website malfunctioning. On the Settings tab, you can view and configure your website's global settings. We're going to talk about the Widgets, Site Security, and Site Settings sections. To embed any Wild Apricot widget into another website, copy the widget's code from the Widgets page and paste it into the other site's HTML code. To prevent automated software, known as spam bots, from creating bogus accounts or bombarding your blog or forum with spam posts and comments, you can enable Wild Apricot's anti-spam reCAPTCHA feature from the Anti-Spam Settings page. Wild Apricot has implemented Content Security Policy, a security standard that protects against certain types of cybersecurity attacks, including cross-site scripting and data injection attacks. It's important to add any external domains that your website uses to your custom JavaScript whitelist to ensure your website complies with Wild Apricot's CSP rules. Calls to domains not on the whitelist are blocked. When you create a Wild Apricot account, you'll get a free website address based on your organization's name. You can change it anytime you want. If you already have a custom domain and a paid Wild Apricot account, you can use your custom domain instead of the free one. On the global JavaScript page, you can add JavaScript to your Wild Apricot website. We recommend that only experienced users make changes to their JavaScript code. Incorrect code formatting can cause serious errors in your website's functionality. Meta tags are HTML elements used to provide information about a page, redirect a page, and load scripts or styles. You can assign global meta tags to be applied to all pages on your Wild Apricot site, and override the global meta tags for individual pages. From the Site Search Settings screen, you can control what type of content is included in site search results. Site search results are displayed when website visitors access a site search gadget placed on your website.